Hello, welcome back to Simple Trends. If you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I would love to hear your comments and feedback. Do mention in the comment section below. Check the description box for the ingredient list. My boys love helping around at home and are eager to learn simple, easy recipes. This will not only be a good way to de-stress but will also make them feel more empowered, and learning basic life skills will always be useful. So with my guidance, my son is making the sweet corn soup today. We will need 1 teaspoon butter, 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 cup of finely chopped carrot and beans, 1 tablespoon corn flour, quarter cup sweet corn, quarter cup of sweet corn puree. I have just made a puree of the sweet corn kernels with a little bit of water. Salt to taste, quarter teaspoon sugar, around half a liter of water, pepper powder to taste. In a 3-liter cooker, keeping the flame on low, add the butter, add the garlic, ginger, onion, chopped carrot and beans and saute for a minute. Add the corn puree followed by 3/4 cup of water. Now add the sweet corn, salt, a little pepper, quarter teaspoon of sugar. Give it a quick mix. Add another half cup of water. Close and cook for 2 whistles. 2 whistles done. Allow the pressure to settle on its own. Open and mix well. Add quarter cup of water to the corn flour and mix it without any lumps. Add it to the soup. Heat it. Keep the flame on medium. Stir it well. Add another half cup to 3/4 cup of water to adjust the consistency. Stir and cook for 3 to 4 minutes so that there is no raw smell of the corn flour. You can also add quarter cup of milk for added flavor. Cook for a boil. Check for salt and pepper to suit your taste. Switch off. Yummy restaurant style sweet corn soup is ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Your feedback and comments are important to us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.